Good morning, children. How are you all? Good, I'm fine, thank you. Okay, good. Shall we go to the session today? You remember what we did during our last session? Yes, mark which is different. Correct. You all clear with that? Now, shall we learn new thing? You're all eager to know, na? I know. Yes, good. Yes, before that, you tell me, what is this? Sketch pen. How many? Two sketch pens. Correct. And both sketch pens are same or different? Same. Both sketch pens are same blue color, same height, same cap. Yes. Both sketch pens are same. Correct. See. Next thing. What is this? Small sketch pens. These both are same? Yes. These both are same. Superb. Keep it up. Next thing. See. What is this? Red pen. Correct. Two red pens. Correct. Both are same. Got it? Yes, I know you will like one more color. Yes, we will take that one. See. What is this? Two green sketch pens. Both are same. Got it? Good. And one more last thing for you. What is this? Pink color sketch pens. Correct. Sketch pens are both are same. Correct. There is no change in between this. So both are same to same. Correct? Same to same. Yes. So you got it? What we are going to do today? Today's topic is mark which is same. So in appearance, whatever might be the size, shape, it is same. This is the meaning. Okay. So today the heading is mark which is same. How many arrows are there? Totally 5 arrows are there. Yes. First one is yellow slide down, bent down arrow. Correct. Second one is red straight arrow. Third one light yellow bent arrow. Next fourth one straight red arrow. Fifth one straight red arrow. So how many arrows are there? 5 arrows are there. So which is same to same here? First arrow and the third arrow. This is called same to same. See, in this next picture, what is there here? This is called safety ribbon. What is this? Safety ribbon. See, the first one is yellow ribbon. So matching to this yellow ribbon, which is same here? Yes, another yellow ribbon in third one. Correct. Exactly. Fourth one. Okay. Good. Keep it up. No problem. First one and fourth one are same to same. Next. Hey, wow, lovely flowers. First flower is red flower. Second flower, yellow flowers. Flowers. 2 flowers are there na in each thing. Yes. Third one, yellow flowers. Fourth one, again red flowers. Fifth one, yellow flowers. So, according to the first red flower, which is same to that one, same the red flower, which is in the fourth one. So, one and for the first one, fourth one is same. This is called same to same. For the first one, fourth one is same. Okay, got it? See, what is this next here? First thing, what is the first leaf here? Light color leaf. Second, third, fourth are dark color leaves. Last one is again first light color leaf. Correct. So for the first one, which is same like the first one, is called the fifth leaf. So first one and the fifth one is same to same. Yes. Now you understood what we are talking about, which is, yes, mark which is same to same. What might be the first thing that should be equal to the other letter, alphabet, words, picture. Yes, got it? Okay. Shall we move on now? Yes. See, What is the first alphabet here? B. Which is equal to same as B here. What is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 letters are there. What is the first alphabet? B. Same as B. Where is the B here? Last alphabet. B. Correct. Second alphabet is D. Third, D. Fourth, D. Fifth is B. Matching to the first alphabet, fifth alphabet is B. 1 and 5 are same to same. Yes, it looks like same, but alphabet is different, correct? Yes, that is what first alphabet, and the last alphabets are same to same. What is there in the next slide? Wow, M. Correct. M letter. This is the first alphabet. Same to M. Where is the M here? Which is in the third. Correct. First M and third M is same to same. What is next to M? That is N. Correct. This is different. Okay. Which is the first alphabet? M. Same to M. Third alphabet M. So both are same. Correct. What is the next thing here? P. Equal to same as P. Where is the P here? 2, 3, fourth alphabet. P. So first alphabet is same as the fourth alphabet. Correct. P and P are same to same. What is the next one? W. First alphabet W is matching same with the next immediate alphabet W. So 1 and 2 are same to same. Correct. Okay, good. So what is there in the next thing? U. First letter, just tell all the letters here. U, N, U, N, N. What is the first letter alphabet here, which is U? Matching to the same U. Where is the other U? It is in the third place. Correct. So 1 and 3 are same to same U. Got it? Yes. What is the next alphabet here? D. Next to D is B. After B, D. Again B. And then B. Okay. What is the first letter here? It is D. It's matching to the same D. Where is the D here? Which is in the third one. Correct. Other are B. Which is the first letter here? D. Matching to the same D. Where is the D here? Third one. So 1 and 3 are D. Which are same to same. Correct. What is the next line here? Y. Good. After Y, other alphabets here are Y, V, V and V. Okay. Okay. Which is the first alphabet here then? Y. Which is same here. Y is the next alphabet. Immediate letter, which is Y. Same. So 1 and 2 are same to same. Y and the next alphabet Y are same to same. What is there in the next line here? Who will help me now? Good. Thank you. So what is letter is this? Q. Next is P. And then P. Then Q. And then P. Correct. So what is the first letter here? Q. Matching with the same Q. Where is the Q here? 1, 2, 3. Fourth one. Fourth letter is Q. So fourth Q is matched same with the first letter Q. Now you understood? Yes. Good. Shall we do one thing now? We will do the same thing. We will start writing now. Yes. Yes. See, what is the heading here? Circle which is similar. Children, we will do this page now. Yes, ready? Great. And the heading is circle which is similar. Similar matlab kya? Same. Just now we saw na? Similar matlab same to same. Yes. What is there in the first line? B, which we can name it as B. B line for our reference. Yes. What is there in the B line? D, 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 B. Yes. So, same to B, which is similar B here in the same B line, which is the last letter B. Yes. Circle B, because the heading is circle. We should do circle. What is the next line then? M. N, M, N, N. Correct. So which one we should circle in the second line? Similar to M. Second letter M. Yes. What is there in the next line? Third line, which is the P line. Yes. B, B, P, B. Good. So which one we should circle? Similar to P. Where is that? It is the third one. Good. Understood? Good. Great, children. Keep it up. What is the next line? It is W line. Yes. W, M, M, M. Good. Nah? So which one we should circle now? Similar to W. This first thing, which is W. These are similar, same. Yes. Next line is U line. What is there in the U line letters? N, U, N, N. So which one we will circle? Similar to U? Yes, the same U. Good. Next line is the D line. Next, what are alphabets other than D here? B, D, B, B. So which letter we will circle now? Same to D line. Where is the D here? Here? Sure? Yes. We will circle D now. Good. What is the next line? Y line. In the same Y line, what are all there? Y, V, V, V. So Y line means which letter we will circle? Y. Good. Great. What is the last line? Q. Q line. What are all the other letters here? P, P, Q, P. So which one we will circle? Q. Great. Super. Clap your hands, children. Very good. You understood? Yes. Yes. This is what we did today, which is circle, which is similar. You understood na? Good. Yes. We will do one thing then. Yes. You just keep on practicing with the same thing. What are all we did today, yesterday, day before yesterday, everything. Okay? And we will just see you soon in the next session. Okay? See you, children. Take care. Bye.